Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Patti Head in Heartopia for the last reward of the Adventure Rally Light Up puzzle. So go to the planet icon and go to Adventure Rally. Open up the last puzzle and you can just claim it. By the way, you still have 30 days to claim your puzzles every single day, so don't forget to do that. Don't worry, you still have time to unlock the hat, I guess. Is it in dress up? I actually don't know. Let's see. Let's go to the dress up section and see if it's here. Oh, yeah, it is here. So silly. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.